Welcome to the Mug Life DIY. I'm Julia and I'm so glad that you decided to watch this DIY. I really wanted to do a fall Christmas craft as soon as I saw these trucks, and I love kind of doing things maybe a little bit outside the box. I bought this little lemonade crate from a store called Dirt Cheap. It actually is originally from Target Dollar Spot, but I picked it up for about 50 cents at the Dirt Cheap store, and I knew right away that this could be a super awesome interchangeable decor piece. So I picked up 2 of these Dollar Tree trucks, and you can see I was struggling. Yes, I'm not gonna lie guys, cut it off like I did. Don't try to wiggle it off, you'll lose your mind. So the first truck I am painting with a kind of a royal blue, almost aquamarine tone, and I paint the truck 2 coats of that blue. And I don't do the over the tires just yet. And then I went with a really deep kind of burgundy red color for my Christmas truck. And I also did 2 coats. I now start to do my black tires, and I'm just going to show you on the red truck, and I did the exact same thing for the blue one. I just kind of make a circle all the way around, leaving a little bit on the inside for my hubcap, and I did that to both of them. And for my right over the tires, I do not know what that is called, a fender I believe. I would have to ask my husband. I added a little bit of black. You only need just a touch of black to darken my red. And I mixed that together and I did it right over the tire part. And I used that same red to give it accents around the doors, the back side of the truck, and the hood. And if you check out my Instagram, The Mug Life Mama, I have a bonus craft for this little red truck, and you can see how I styled it. Now this darker color with the black really adds some dimension to your truck. It'll give it just a really cute detail, and you can see I just kind of messed with it, and you can do the exact same thing with your truck. Just have some fun painting and just see where you want to highlight and accent your truck. Also, if you do like the colors of the painted trucks that I use, I will be sure to have those colors in my description. I do know I've had them for a while, but they are from Michaels, so I'll have those colors linked for you. And our old vintage truck just wouldn't be vintage without a little rust. I just added a few spots around the hood, a little bit of the corners, around the back, and then I added a little bit more detail for the lights. I also wanted to do kind of a gray, older hubcap look. So I used the top of my paint and I just drew a circle with a pencil, and now I am just painting it in, and I did 2 coats of my gray for both tires. I have also seen some really awesome and creative DIYs for these little Christmas trucks. I have seen a few, I believe either Instagram or some YouTube creators adding popsicle sticks to kind of add a little bit of detail for a tailgate. If that would be your style, I would say go ahead. That would make the truck look really adorable if that was what you were going for. But I just wanted something a little bit more simple. And you're like, oh, you just glue it on there. But I have a secret weapon. I am using just some Jenga blocks that I have had for a while, and I hot glued 4 of them to give it a little bit lifted up from my box. And I glued those down. At a recent purchase from the new crafters area in my Dollar Tree, I picked up these little magnetic, I believe they call it magnetic buttons. I just grabbed 2 of them and put them on 2, and then I glued the top, and then I set my truck right down on it. And I did the exact same thing with my blue, and now my trucks are interchangeable. And here is my fall little truck crate. I added some of my pumpkin finds that I got at the Target Dollar Spot that I just loved. They came in a blue, an aqua, I believe one of them is white, and I just put some of my raffia down in it. And if you are a red truck girl for fall, and here's how that would look styled. but I wanted to show you how adorable is the little red truck for Christmas. Thanks so much for checking out my channel and my video. I hope you guys enjoyed this DIY, and I really would love if you would subscribe or comment below which color is your favorite truck.